let's bring in this Sunday with the consciousness of prayer. So we breathe into this truth that there is one light, one power, one presence. It is God, the good. It is love itself, operating in and through and as this moment. Right where you are swimming in a field of Godness, a sea of Godness. There is no possibility of being separate from this water of life. So we remember that truth and we let it have its way within our being, and we ask that a deep and mighty remembrance happen, spirit, soul, body, so that we may be on purpose, so that we may meet our world grounded and rooted in spiritual principle and spiritual truth. That the peace that is available to us may expand within our hearts, within our minds, within our families, and within our world. We pray this in the name and through the nature of all that is love, all that is holy. Namaste.